Hi guys, this is Finley and today I'm gonna be playing Mining Simulator, which I'm okay at, and I'm gonna play some some assassin in a second and not get scammed. What is this music? And for some reason it varies your money, which is kind of annoying. Hats. What's that? No. Crates, what does this do? Tool skins. Oh, I wanna, yeah. I got puzzle. It sucks. What does this look like? It hasn't even loaded. Come on, equipped. Equipped. You legit can't see it. What a waste. I'm getting my 500 back, to be fair. So, are you sure? Yeah. It's just a waste. This is a good game for grinding. What's this? Oh, that's worth a lot of coins. I'm sorry that my the recorder doesn't go on the whole screen, but this will have to do. It is free, so that's the main thing. And you can't say I'm good at this game. I've only mined like 6,500 blocks. I got 2,000 from that. Gonna watch what tool should I go for. I need one with a high speed boost. Probably 16k. I don't think you can see. I might just move the recorder. No, come on. Look, there are my coins. So I think I should keep it like this. It's better. So all you can't see is the codes, the coin sign, and the backpack. That's kind of useful. I'm just gonna go down here. No, I'm not. Where am I? Yeah. Obsidian. Oh, go to the surface. That's kind of cool what this person made. Wow, that goes down deep. I don't know how this is classed as out of range, but it is. Oh. Yay. God. Oh, he's got this flamethrower. God, I'm not doing anything. Emerald. Oh, flip. Ugh, this sucks. What can I do for quests? Dinosaur bones. Okay. No, I need to go somewhere else. That sucks. I just love this game. It's a lot easier to get money on here. grinding right now. Dinosaur bones. I need dinosaur bones because there's a hat case. I swear I just passed some dinosaurs. Oh, this is annoying. Quartz. $3,000. Let's save up for the 32k one. That's worth a lot. Sorry if my voice isn't very good. What, another golden chest? I'm lucky. I'm just gonna be grinding. Silver. I bet it's gonna say, oh, you can't mine this in a second. This stone's hard to get through. I'm probably gonna save up for the one that's 32k. What's that? Yay! Need dinosaur bones. How much does this go up by? 18. Okay. Hello. Tools. Yeah, speed boost. No! Need parkour. I'm actually so triggered that I'm going to block them. Princess Honey. No, I'm not following them. Unfollow. Block. There we go. Low. I got 10k blocks mine now. That's kind of cool. I'm an awesome miner. Oh, come on. Stupid mine. 11 billion blocks mine. Where am I? I'm an awesome miner, then I'm going to be an experienced and get 25k. I don't care if it's safe, I just want to go there. Literally, there are 3 dinosaur bones there. Come on. No, I don't want to do that. Quests! Yay! Rare crate. What is it? What is it? What is it? I get the worst. Probably gonna sell it. Yeah, I'm sure. Was it lagging? Please follow me. This is my username. And block somebody called Princess Space Honey 39 because they hate me. I'll try and get to 36,000, and if I don't, I'll just have to end the video I'll end it now. So, bye!